I guess I was wrong. This one's only, it was only 100 feet by 100 feet, but that's still, so this is this other tool that I really like. This is that dugout calculator. So say we went 100 feet
Oh, cool.
by 100 feet, and you said it's 5 feet deep.
Yeah,
right?
5.5.
Okay, well, so yeah, 5.5, and we go calculate. What's going on here? 100, 5.5, calculate. So that would give you a million liters, over a million.
Yeah, that's about what I calculated when yeah, that sounds about right.
And so like that's a super reasonable, I mean, that's for this guy. So this guy was about 100 by 100.